Welcome to Legal Dilemmas, where you will find clear, concise legal advice. My name is Brenda.
My name's Safina.
Today's topic is about divorce and separation. Safina, can you elaborate and explain the difference between a divorce and separation?
Yeah, well, in England and Wales, you have people who sometimes want a formal arrangement through the divorce application process, and others who just want to live apart. So you can live apart informally if you want to separate, or you could have legal separation. But if we look specifically at the differences between divorce and separation first, Brenda, well, obviously there's a difference between the legal status of the marriage. So divorce will end the marriage, and that's a permanent ending to the marriage, whereas separation, you're just really living apart. Unless you're going to formalise things through judicial separation. In a divorce, you need the involvement of a court because you need that final divorce order. Whereas if you're legally separated, you could just have a separation agreement unless you want judicial separation. You also have financial matters. Well, divorce lets you resolve all outstanding financial matters and matters to do with children. But with a separation, it's slightly different because while you're separated, you still have financial ties with one another unless you've incorporated the demarcations of your financial arrangements within a separation agreement. And the other thing, obviously, is that while you're separated, you cannot marry, but if you're divorced, you clearly can get married, providing you've had the final order granted by the court. So essentially, those are the key differences.
Okay, so you mentioned judicial separation. So what is judicial separation?
So that basically is a formal process that requires a court application being made where parties agree to separate but remain married. That's really for them wanting to resolve any financial issues. And they may want to stay together, Brenda, because of religious reasons or moral reasons, where divorce isn't an option for them.
Okay, so when you say stay together, you mean remain married.
Yeah,
so
absolutely.
They would probably be living apart, and a judicial separation allows them to issue a financial application at court and have that resolved. But in the future, if they wanted to remarry, they would have to issue divorce proceedings. Is that correct?
Absolutely. I mean, some people are just happy with having a separation agreement and think that's satisfactory because they're separated, because that would potentially outline financial matters, property, children. But anybody who goes down that route needs to be mindful of the fact that it's not legally binding until, they make a formal application for a divorce through the courts.
Okay, thank you. That was a detailed explanation, and hopefully that will answer the inquiries we've had. So please remember to like, share and subscribe and have your notifications on to view more great legal content. Thank you.